Welcome back to Julian Vernon Mixology Bartending channel, where we explore the art of crafting amazing cocktails. Today I have a special treat in store for you, the Hurricane cocktail. The Hurricane is a classic with a fascinating history. It originated in New Orleans and gained popularity in the famous French quarters. It is known for its vibrant color, tropical flavors, and a kick that will transport you straight to the heart of the Big Easy. To make the Hurricane, here's what you need: gold rum, dark rum, passion fruit syrup, freshly squeezed lime juice, orange juice, and some grenadine. Alright, let's get started. Grab your cocktail shaker and fill it with some ice. Now let's add our ingredients. It's going to be 2 ounces of gold rum, and also 2 ounces of dark rum. These 2 rums will add depth and complexity to the cocktail. Next, we're going to pour in 1 ounce of passion fruit syrup. Then 1 ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice. Also 1 ounce of orange juice. And finally, it's going to be a hint of homemade grenadine. About 1/4 ounce, I'd say, just a little bit, not too much. Right there. These ingredients will create a delightful tropical flavor profile. Now we're going to shake it up, seal it, and give it a nice shake. Alright, that's it right there. I'm going to pour my drink into the cocktail glass. And I'm going to add some crushed ice on top of the drink. Here we go. Perfect. And for garnish, it's going to be orange and cherry. Look at that right there. Awesome. And there you have it, folks. The perfect Hurricane cocktail. Its tropical flavors combined with the richness of rum make it a refreshing choice for the summer gathering or a night out on the town. Friends, remember that cocktails are about experimentation and personal preference, so feel free to adjust the measurements and ingredients to suit your taste. Whether you're sipping it by the beach or throwing a party at home, the Hurricane cocktail will bring the spirit of New Orleans. Cheers to good time and great cocktails. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting recipes and tips. Stay tuned to our next video where we will explore more fabulous drinks. Until then, keep mixing, keep experimenting, and keep enjoying the wonderful world of mixology. Thank you.